The right way, not the easy way. GOETTL.com. Just because you can't congregate doesn't mean you have to isolate. We're all in this together. KFI AM640 Los Angeles, Orange County.
And KOSD HD2.
It's 5 a.m. What did you miss?
It's time for Wake Up Call with Jennifer Jones Lee.
Well, good morning. We made it to a Friday. KFI AM640 live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. Welcome to your weekend. Here's what's just ahead on your wake-up call. The death toll from coronavirus in LA County has hit 78. LA Mayor Garcetti says he's allowed restaurant owners to apply for free curbside signage to get faster and safer pickup for people who are getting takeout from their cars. And a beach in OC has taken additional steps to keep people safe during the COVID-19 concerns. 5:05, we'll talk with ABC's Karen Travers. All right, so the president has made it very clear he will not reopen enrollment for Obamacare during the spread of the coronavirus, but he says those people who don't have health insurance will be taken care of. But is he specifically referring to those without health care who have coronavirus? Or in general, and how does he plan to compensate those people? We're going to ask Karen all those questions when we chat with her again. That's coming up at 5:05. Let's start with some of the stories coming out of the KFI 24-hour newsroom. The death toll from coronavirus in LA County has hit 78.
And most of those who passed away had underlying health conditions. County Health Director Dr. Barbara Ferrer says more than 240 people are being treated in hospitals.
2/3 of all the people that are currently hospitalized who have a diagnosis of COVID-19 have no underlying health conditions, and they're dispersed across all age categories.
Meaning, Ferrer says, that the virus isn't targeting just older people. She says there's a total of 4,045 cases in the county, including 9 from the homeless population and 290 from nursing homes and assisted living facilities. Steve Gregory, KFI News.
LA Mayor Garcetti says his safer at home order appears to have helped reduce the number of collisions in the city by 59% because, well, there are just fewer cars on the road.
Why the new study shows that vehicle collisions have been cut in half. It's a small sample size, and we're acting to make our roads even safer by setting traffic lights to a late-night schedule with more frequent red lights to slow drivers down.
Garcetti says he's also allowed restaurant owners to apply for free curbside signage to get faster, safer pickup for people who are getting takeout from their cars. The Riverside County Sheriff's Department says a deputy who died from the coronavirus had recent contact with an inmate who also ended up sick.
He was known for his smile, and he will be deeply missed.
Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco says Deputy Terrell Young was on the force 15 years.
Deputy Young is survived by his wife and his 4 children.
Bianco says Young transferred the inmate the week of March 16th and felt sick during his shift at Coyce Bird Detention Center on Sunday the 22nd.
The following day, 10 employees, including Deputy Terrell, called in sick with flu-like symptoms. The inmate from the previous week also showed symptoms on that day.
Young died yesterday, just 10 days after feeling sick. Orphan Carson, KFI News.
22 employees and 11 inmates have now tested positive at the Coyce Detention Center in Marietta. Beach City and OC's taken additional steps to keep people safe during COVID-19 concerns.
All grassy areas along Huntington Beach's beaches have been closed in an attempt to stop overcrowding during the coronavirus pandemic. The city has installed 500 signs spaced 50 feet apart along the grassy areas to remind people the grass is closed. The large grass area between 9th and 11th Streets have been fenced off. The grass along the bike path